What's up guys, my name is Firdaus. So the purpose of video, I will explain how to use Adobe Photoshop, especially for beginner user. I try to simplify and straightforward my explanation. For your information, I use Adobe Photoshop CSC 64-bit, so make sure your PC or laptop can support this application. Alright, so we'll discuss first topic, which is introductory of Adobe Photoshop. This is Adobe Photoshop icon and just click it. This is the interface of Adobe Photoshop. Do you know what Adobe Photoshop is? Adobe Photoshop is a software application for image editing and photo retouching for use on Windows or Mac OS computer. So the function it offers user the ability to create, enhance or otherwise edit image, artwork and illustration. You can change background, simulating a real life painting or creating an alternative view of the universe. It's all possible with Adobe Photoshop. There are lots of keyword shortcuts in Adobe Photoshop that can help users to control efficiently and quickly. The most keyword shortcut we use is zoom out. Just press Ctrl button on the keyboard and dash button for zoom out the screen. Next, zoom in. Just press Ctrl button on the keyboard and plus button for zoom in the screen. For open new layer, just press Ctrl button and N letter. Then to open the file quickly, just press Ctrl button and O letter. It's easy, right? The next topic, magnetic lasso tool. Alright, so you need to distinguish type of lasso tool, which is it consists three category and have own function. This one lasso tool, polygonal and magnetic. So I will show you how to edit picture using magnetic lasso tool. First, create layout for default Photoshop size. Use keyword shortcut Ctrl button and N letter. As you can see, the layout appear here. So the next step, you must add image to edit by clicking on your keyboard Ctrl and O letter to open file. Choose your image to be edited. Okay, I would choose this one. Nice. As you can see, a selected image is appear now. So what's the next step? Now select magnetic lasso tool by right click here. Okay, so I will crop this image. Make sure you need to pay an attention. You can start any angle of the image to edit. Slowly but surely. If you can see, that means it successful, and just click move tool to drag to the layout. Then you can adjust the size of the image. You just use keyword shortcut, press Ctrl button and T letter to select this image. Maybe I need to readjust the size. Click a Ctrl button and dash button to zoom out. Alright, nice. Okay, just please wait. Third topic, magic eraser tool. There are three types of eraser tools, so I will teach you guys by using a magic eraser tool to delete background of the image. Firstly, open the image by click Ctrl button and O letter and select image. Okay, I choose this one. Go through eraser tool and right click on this button and select magic eraser tool. Just click on the background image that you want to delete. I will show you an example. Okay, so the background will be appear like this, and click move tool to drag the image to the previous layout. Just relate if your image is out of frame as I told before. Click the control button and T letter to select the image and adjust the size of the image. Alright, so it's easy, right? The last topic, create clipping mask. On the layout, click font button to add text. Then select a color font. First, make sure to adjust the color font. Normally, our default color is white, so I will change to the black one. Next, select font style. So I prefer Wicked Mouse. You can adjust the size. So here I choose 72 point and jot down the font. For example, Firdaus. Okay, next click Ctrl and O letter to open image for create a clipping mask. So I select this image. Okay, to select all these image, just click Ctrl and A letter on the keyboard to select this entire image. Click move tool here and drag the image to the layout. And make sure the image on the font, you can adjust the size also. Okay, and then on this layer, right click here and click create clipping mask. Alright, see, it was successful. Alright guys, so we have covered three topics today: magic eraser tool, magic eraser tool, and create a clipping mask. Any recommendation or suggestion, don't hesitate to comment on this below video. Thank you.